Okay, let's jump in. I'm going to show you how this actually works. So on the left-hand side, there's a bunch of research tools. You can expand them out here on the left side. And I'm going to click on Product Analytics. Now, this is tied into Etsy. So you can see here at the top, it says listings analyzed 130 million, almost 131 million. And as I scroll over any of them on the left-hand side, a little window is going to pop open. And I can click on one. I'm just going to pick it here at random personalized signature necklace. I'm just going to click on it to see more information. Then populates over on the right-hand side. You can see keywords down at the bottom that are used. And this is where things can get confusing for people because they wind up looking at listings that don't really apply to them. So if you're in the print-on-demand world, for example, a personalized signature necklace may not apply. I can view this right on Etsy by clicking here. So this is going to open up a new window you can see it's in. 20 plus baskets. So this is a great tool if you're looking at business ideas that are maybe not print on demand. But this one's not really going to apply for us because we're not manufacturing gold-plated necklaces in the print on demand world. So great idea, but maybe not for us. So what I'm going to do is click on the product, the search products window at the top, and I'm going to type in the word shirt and I'll click search products. Now this is going to bring us down to about 21 million results. That's still a lot of results. Now what you don't want to do is get sucked into things that are trademarked. So for example, there's a Taylor Swift friendship bracelet. I would totally stay away from that because it might be trademarked with Disney family shirts. For example, not a great idea unless you want to get banned. Okay, so when you're at almost 22 million products, you need to figure out a way to niche down inside. So what I'm going to do here is at the top, I suggest you start with locations. So I'm going to type in the phrase Texas shirt, and I'm going to click search. So we're trying to get less than 71,500 designs. And here we can see there's now less than 8,000, which is much less overwhelming and like a lot. What you can do as well is in this little filters button, you can actually extrapolate this out. So I'm clicking over here, filters, and I basically just type in product name, include Texas shirt, okay? So I have nothing in the top under search products. I have the product name itself includes the word Texas, shirt. And now I can start scrolling through the different listings. Now I've got it sorted on monthly sales descending. But you could do total sales, for example. So you can see here, these are all-time bestsellers. And then you can also take a look at the monthly revenue as well. And that could be helpful if you're looking for things that are higher-end items, and it's a combination of the sales, the revenue, and the total sales that would give you different ideas on what you could sell. So I like this one monthly revenue. You can see here the price. The very first one here, Texas shirt, $37.99. Price point that appeals to me because I'm not going to be competing with low-end shirts. This is probably a niche item. That's a beautiful looking shirt. As I click on it, information is going to open up on the right-hand side. We can see there's 46 monthly sales and at about $38 a shirt. That's $1,788 in revenue. Total sales, $266. And I can view this shop right on Etsy, right here. So when I'm on Etsy, I'm paying attention to one very important thing. Oh, here we go. In 20 baskets, people are very interested in this shirt, and I can see why. It's a really nice looking shirt. It's in the state of Texas. It's the shape of it, and then there's different words and different images of animals in Texas. They have beautiful mock-ups. Remember, mock-ups are always important on an Etsy shop or any print-on-demand site that you're selling your wares. This was a great looking product. So you can see, just by a couple clicks, I'm able to find an idea where I could compete in a niche. One thing that I'd like to point out as well is everybody will show me how old the listing is. You can see here it says listing age 12 months. That's not really that old. So I sometimes hear people complain, well, the shop is super established and anything they put up is going to sell well. This is barely a 1-year-old listing and it's already near the very top of the search rankings for this niche. I love that. All right, let's try something else here. So under product name, instead of Texas, I'm going to pick another location. I'm going to pick New York, shirt. and there's 3,796 results. So as I scroll through 3,800 results, I'm going to go to monthly revenue, $690. I'm also going to go to monthly sales. I'll click on that, and we can see here the second one from the top that I really like. It's 17 monthly sales, which is pretty nice too. Embroidered New York shirt, I'm going to click on that. 17 sales and 188 total sales. And this is text only, so I mean it's a nice looking shirt, but you want to ask yourself, could you make it different? Could you have a similar phrase? Or could you have something in the same? I love using Everbee because you can look at over 30 million Etsy listings. There's all sorts of stuff in here. Digital designs, custom print on demand, you name it. Are you a creator ready to turn your passion into profit? Stop getting bogged down by clunky e-commerce platforms and high fees. Introducing Everbee Store, the AI-powered platform built just for you. Whether you sell physical products, digital downloads, or even print-on-demand items, Everbee makes it simple. Set up your beautiful, high-converting store in under 10 minutes with our easy-to-use, no-code drag-and-drop builder. Recover abandoned carts, offer automatic discounts, and even set up recurring subscriptions, all without needing extra tools. Plus, every Everbee store comes with a custom domain and a free SSL certificate to build trust with your customers. And you're never alone, with 24/7 support from real humans and a vibrant community of creators. We're here to help you succeed. Go get your free account and start your journey to Etsy success today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Etsy tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Now go and turn your Etsy dreams into a reality. Ready to grow your business? Everbee Store is designed for higher conversions and lower fees than platforms like Shopify or Wix. Don't wait. Start your 30-day trial for just $1. Join the thousands of creators who are building their dream business with Everbee.